I'm Dr. Shantae Haynes, and I help women in transition rebuild their lives with clarity, faith, and strategy. We aren't just here to heal, we are here to build. Let's get into the reset. If you've walked through a divorce, a career collapse, or a massive life shift, I need you to hear this. Stop trying to get back to who you used to be. That woman does not exist anymore. And that is actually good news. In this video, I'm walking you through the three-part life reset, covering your identity, your faith, and your finances, so you can stop just surviving the transition and finally become the woman God is calling you to be right now. So here's the truth that I want you to know under this identity reset. In Isaiah, the 43rd chapter, the 18th through the 19th verse, it says, "Forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing." God is doing a new thing in you. So what I want you to recognize when it comes to this identity reset is that you are not broken. You are becoming. God is doing a new thing, and you have to lean into that truth. You get to rise as a new version, not a weaker one, but a wiser one. You're rising tonight. And sometimes we need permission. And I'm giving you permission tonight to be wiser, to be stronger, to be better, so much better. Can you see yourself as this new version? Do you receive that what you've been through has prepared you to be a better version of yourself?